Have you ever wondered how computers are able to understand and process information? It all starts with something called binary numbers. Binary numbers are a way of representing information using only two digits, 0 and 1. In the world of computers, everything is broken down into these binary digits. Each digit is called a bit, and a group of 8 bits is called a byte. So, how does a computer translate these binary numbers into a language that we can understand? Well, it all comes down to a special code called ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII assigns a unique number to each character, such as letters, numbers, and symbols. For example, the letter A is represented by the number 65 in ASCII. When you type a letter on your keyboard, the computer converts that letter into its corresponding ASCII code. It then processes that code to perform various tasks, such as displaying the letter on the screen or storing it in a file. But how does the computer know what to do with each code? That's where software comes in. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer how to interpret and manipulate the data. So, the next time you use a computer, remember that behind all the colorful graphics and user-friendly interfaces, there's a complex system of binary numbers and codes working together to translate information into a language we can understand.